Hi friends, welcome to our English channel. Today we are going to see the basic grammar. The topic is sentence. In communication, we should know to communicate a proper sentence. For that, we should know what are the basic forms of sentences. We have four types of sentence. The first one is called a statement. The second one is interrogative. And the third one is imperative. The fourth one is exclamatory. These are the four types of sentences. It is included in all types of communication. We'll go one by one. The first one is statement. Statement is nothing but is a information about a person or place or anything else. For example, here we go with Ramu is a tall boy. It is just a statement that Ramu is a tall boy. Here, to know that this is the statement, we have some punctuation. Here, in statement, the full stop is the punctuation. Second one, interrogative. Interrogative is nothing but asking questions. For example, where are you going? Here we have the symbol of question. That is the punctuation for this type. This is called interrogative. And the third sentence form we have imperative. Imperative is included with all types of suggestions, giving commands, order, requests, pleasing, everything is come under imperatives. For example, sit here, go there. Like commands, we can use in imperative sentence. When it comes to request, please take that pen. This is what is called as imperative sentence. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, it is used for the exclamation. For example, when we admire about the things, we use this sentence. What a wonderful place it is. Here, we are admiring about a place. Here, the symbol we have is exclamation mark. And these are the four types of sentences. And we can have a small recap. In sentence, we have four types. The first one is statement, second one is interrogative, third one is imperative, and fourth one is exclamatory. Here, for the statement, we have full stop as a punctuation. And for interrogative, we have question mark. And when it comes to imperative, there we have some commands like please and some other words we have for imperative. And for exclamatory, we have exclamation mark. Okay, friends, I hope that you have understood what is a sentence. We'll meet you soon in the next topic. Thank you, friends. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.